Okay. Can you get up there, honey? Oh my goodness. Such a big kid. Oh my. What are you guys doing?
What's out there? Hannah?
There's Hannah. Give her some loving. Love to Hannah.
Have a seat up here. Let's have a chat.
He wants to love to Hannah.
Come here, Hannah.
We gotta be on the move, Grandpa.
Where are you going?
Trying to move. It's time for Hannah's lesson, afternoon lesson. Where'd she go? There she went. There's Hannah. Hannah. See that crazy eye? Most people have a lazy eye. She's got a crazy eye. Hey, baby. Where you going? That's Grammy's. He thinks it's a camcorder, doesn't he? He's talking into it. Yeah, it kind of looks like a camcorder. Oh my goodness. Time to love to Hannah. Oh, love to Hannah.
Soft.
Oh, hugging Hannah. Hugging Hannah. Yay. Look what Grandpa's got. Grandpa's got another dog. Alright, let's see here. Oh my goodness. There's Grandpa being a little overprotective. In this cage. Oh, you ran her off, honey. She left. What's a boy to do? I know. I'll go after her. Oh, there's
Soft.
baby Emma.
Soft. Good boy.
There's baby
You
Emma.
come up here? Come on.
Okie doke. Hannah gotta go.